Okay guys, today we are doing Chevrolet Tahoe 2010 model. We are changing the engine mount driver side. You know, it have 7 screws, 3 with a low arm, you know, tighted, and 4 comes with the engine. For reaching this, if it's not possible for you, you have to bend out this steel, and after you are done you can just push it back again. This is just, you know, heat resistant. It's protecting the rubber from the heat of the engine and the manifold. And we have to open first the 3 screws which is down here. This is 1 and 2 and 3 at the back here. After that we have to lift the engine up from this side, and then we can open the other 4 screws and we'll be able to remove it and put this new one. Okay guys, to get access, you know, to remove the engine mount and to fix the new one, we have to remove this one. We did already remove it and we fixed the new mount, as you can see. For this we are gonna need, you know, the 16 box, and you will need a very long lever so it will reach down.